How I create my video is I don't just come out like this and decided to teach you guys how to do this or how to do that just to entertain you guys or just to get views. No guys, I don't do that. I only create a video, I only make a content whenever my hair need this particular ingredients, whenever my hair need this particular remedy. And due to the kind of hair I have as a low porosity hair owner, my hair mostly love anything spray thing, in regular deep conditioning, light cream, even light oil. These are what my hair need. So for example, if you notice the way we have been doing our hair growth challenge in this channel, we have been using a schedule for hair growth remedy, even though we started at August last month, and unfortunately we couldn't even end it. You know why? Because my I don't even the oil rotten that I added there, I couldn't use everything. That's the aloe vera oil that I did. I even posted it on my channel. I couldn't even use everything. In fact, I couldn't even use half of it. I later used the remaining one for the hair growth cream that we did. So my weight on the kind of hair I have, my hair mostly love anything spray thing. It needs oil, but it's only on the scalp, not even on hair. And for this oil, this is the third time that I'm doing this oil. First one, I haven't even created a YouTube channel that time. The second one, I posted it. Then I managed to get the ingredient that I use for this oil again. That's why I did it the day before yesterday. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this oil. If you can manage to get all these ingredients that I use for this oil, guys, after using it for 2 weeks or 1 week, you see that your hair will change. At least this one I did will last for me up to 2 weeks. So after using this oil, you will notice a lot of difference. Your hair will be more longer. That is, this oil grow hair fast. So these are the nutrients that grows hair, and I'm going to show you that all the ingredients that I use here contain each of the nutrients. Pumpkin seed are rich in omega-3, B vitamin, magnesium, iron, and protein. These seeds have the capacity to improve the quality and strengthen our hair. And also because of the rich fatty oil pumpkin seed contain, it also promotes hair growth. And another one is our utas leaf. Utas leaf contains vitamin A. It also has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which are very good for hair. For this utas leaf, you can get it in your local market, anywhere in your area you can see it. So utas leaf is very good. We even use it in our last oil that I did. So our next other thing is our fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is very good for hair. It promotes hair growth, it prevents hair loss, it conditions hair. So people use fenugreek for hair conditioner. Soak it in the water for this, then you blend it. So it conditions and it also controls dandruff. So fenugreek is very good for hair. You can use black seed to replace it, because the last one we did, we used black seed. So here is our flax seed. Flax seed is very good for hair. Not only that, it grows hair, it also conditions the scalp and nourishes the scalp. It contains vitamin D, and it also contains vitamin A. So flax seed is very good. It helps in hair growth. It also has antioxidant properties. So all these leaves that I'm showing you here are very good for hair, if you can try get all these things. So the next thing is our curry leaf. We all have been hearing about curry leaf. Curry leaf is very good. It encourages hair growth. It moisturizes and remove dead follicles in your hair. So the nutrients found in curry leaf is vitamin C and iron, which are very good for hair. And the next thing we have is our sweet potato leaf. Sweet potato leaf, some people use the fruit as a deep conditioner, but today I'm going to show you that the leaf is very good for hair too. The vitamin A found in potato leaf is 14,187 IU, which is very huge. It also possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which are very good in hair. So research also say that the combination of vitamin A and B carotene in sweet potato leaf contribute to enhance hair growth. So guys, did you see all this thing? I bought all this thing with my money. I don't have all in my compound. I bought some of them with my own money. So if you have it in your compound, it is a good thing. Try to use this thing for hair growth if you don't know about it before. And the next leaf that we are going to use in this remedy is our uzuza leaf. Uzuza leaf, some people call it black pepper. It is rich in vitamin A, C, and E. Can you imagine? Which are known for the antioxidant properties. Not only it results faster in hair growth, it also stop hair shedding and breakage, and it is also rich. It also contain antifungal, antimicrobial, and also antibacterial properties, which will help to protect your scalp from disease. It also stimulates the blood flow to your scalp so that more nutrients are able to get to your scalp. So the next thing we have online is our tomato leaf. Tomato leaf contain vitamin A of 900, vitamin C of 23, and iron of 0.5. According to research, it said that tomato leaf and tomato stem are rich in antioxidants, which help to fight disease. So this means tomato leaf will be good for hair, and also because of the vitamin A, the 900 of vitamin A it contain, it will also help promote hair growth. Oh my goodness, my hair is spinning due to too much explanation, but I have to do it, so in my next video it will be more easy. So the next thing we have in line is our neem leaf, which we all know what it is. The nutrients found in neem leaf are zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So not only that neem leaf grows hair, it also help reduce shedding. It also strengthens our hair, and it also controls hair fall. Neem leaf grows hair voluminously if you can regular use it on your hair. I'm already tired of explaining. The next thing we have is our onion spring. The onion spring is rich in antioxidant too, and it contains vitamin A, C, K. So that's it. If you want to use onions, fresh onions, I don't like fresh onions because fresh onions need to change the smell of your oils. That's why I'm using onion shell. I'll still show you. Onion shell is still here. So I'll show you onion shell and onion string. And for chia seed contains omega-3 fatty acid. It contains omega-3, nourishes the hair follicles. It also promotes hair growth and elasticity. They also reduce inflammation of the hair follicles. So that's it. The next thing we have online is our onion shell. So I don't want to use the onions, this thing, the main onions, the fresh onions, because no matter how you do it, the scent is going to come out in that your oil, in that oil. So I did I'm using the shell. Onions is very good for hair because it contains sulfur, which fights every bacteria on hair. Then ginger, ginger is optional. If you want to add ginger, you can. If you don't want to add, you leave it. Like in our previous one we did not add ginger. So rosemary leaf, we all know what rosemary leaf is. Rosemary is very good for hair. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which are good for hair. So in case if you don't have all these things like listed here, there are other things that you can use and replace all these herbs. There is something that a grass called goose grass. This grass work very perfectly for dandruff. That is very active for dandruff. You can use goose grass, that's the picture, and you can use philinatrix nori grass. It is also, that one also boosts hair growth and is very good. Some people sell it, the powder. They sell the powder for use, and they also have it in medicine, and it is very good for hair. So back to the main point. When you're done with everything, you're going to first of all wash your ingredients. You're going to wash your ingredients first. This will help it to be wet. Yes, that's how I made it last time. I make sure that I wash the ingredients to make it wet before I transfer it to the fry pan. So I wash everything here, and there are two processes you can prepare this oil. It's either you use the blending method. That's the blending method. You mix it with oil inside your blender, then you blend everything before you transfer it to your fry pan and use a low heat. You can use it that way if you are the type that have a sensitive scalp, but me, I think it's better using this method. So when you're done, when I'm done here, I then introduce my dry seeds. I add 1 spoon of rosemary leaf, then 2 spoons of chia seed, because chia seed is very good for hair too. So I add 2 spoons of chia seed and 1 spoon of fenugreek seed. So in our last one, we used black seed and what was that seed that we used last? I couldn't remember, but if there is any other seed that you know that will help in hair growth very well too, you can use it. So I also added 1 spoon of pumpkin seed and 1 spoon of flax seed. So these are the things that I am using for this hair growth oil. And for the oil, I mix olive oil and a vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is even more than the olive oil. So that's it. How I've been doing this oil, and it has been working great for me. If you can't see all these leaves, because there's many other leaves like moringa leaf, there are many of them that you can use for this oil. without using all these ones I use here. But all these ones I use here are very, very important. So they also grow hair. They also grow hair a lot. So this is how I do it. You can't use this method. It's either you blend it with oil. But if you're going to use the blend method, you're not going to add the dry seeds. It's only the leaves. Only the leaves. You can include onion shell or that pumpkin seed. But anything like a foreign grape, these are not going to be allowed if you want to use the blending method. And you can also use the double boiling method too, in case, depend on the kind of scalp you have. You know, some people, when they use this method now that I use, maybe it might affect their scalp. So if you want to use double boiling method, you can use double boiling method if that's what suits your scalp. But I'll be using this one because it will be more fast, and I think it will be more better for me. So when I have added my oil, I'm going to go ahead and use a low heat. The last one that I did, I used my gas cylinder to do it, so I was able to lower the heat very well. But unfortunately, I ran out of gas the day I made this oil, so I have to use my burner, my electric burner. That's why I couldn't even extract the oil very well. As in, I lose some of the oil. So I keep on turning it. That's it. This is how it is. I kept on turning it till the thing was even burning due to the flaxseed. The last one I did not use flaxseed. So the thing was even burning due to the flaxseed. You know, flaxseed is something slippery. So if you don't turn it very well, the thing will start burning. So I kept on turning this thing until the oil extracted the whole nutrient in the green leaf and in the green seed. And as you can see, the nutrient, the ingredient is losing its nutrient inside the oil. So this is, as the thing kept on, I still kept on frying it until everything was down and settled. After that, I left it for 5 minutes so it will cool down. Then after 5 minutes, I used my filter, then a cloth without hole, and strain my oil. This oil is very, very potent because I know how I managed to get all this leafy green for this oil. That is why it's once in a while that I do this oil, because I have to wait before I will gather all the ingredients that I need for this oil. So here are the oil. The oil is ready to be used. How I use it, you can use it as a moisturizer, but this is not the kind of oil that you use as a moisturizer, because you know how you manage to get it now. So I only use it for scalp. That's why at least it will help it to last for me. I use it for only scalp. By using it for only scalp, at least I will be able to use it for 2 weeks, and I will see results very well. The results will be more than. So guys, this is, I couldn't even finish making this video when the paper took the light. So I have to use my touch lights to just manage the end video. So here is it. I hope you already learned everything that you need in this video, and you already understand how it was done, the process was done.